Click on Username. Click IP Allow List. IP has been added successfully. Click API. Select as needed. The country takes India as an example. The protocol is HTTP. Select Sticky IP. Click to generate API link and open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Check your browser as current IP address. IP shows as US. Click on System under Browser Settings. Copy the proxy IP address in Lunaproxy. Click Save. Check the IP address again. The IP has been successfully transferred to India. Turn off the Internet proxy service and change the IP address to the United States again.